Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Flow.
Hello, hello.
I'm Luwis.
And I'm Anna.
We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, really. Thank you for joining us.
How are you today, Anna?
I'm great, thank you. I had a very relaxing morning. I made a big cup of coffee and just listened to music.
Oh, that sounds really nice. I had a busy morning. I woke up late and I couldn't find my keys.
Oh no, not the keys again.
Yes, the keys again. Every time, the same problem.
Did you find them?
Yes, they were in my jacket pocket. Of course.
Of course they were.
So now I'm here, and I'm happy.
Good, I'm happy too.
So, Anna, what are we talking about today?
Today we have a really special topic. Today we are talking about how to practice English alone.
Oh, that is a great topic. I think a lot of people practice alone.
Yes, exactly. Many learners don't have a teacher or a language partner every day. So today we will talk about real, simple tips that really work.
I need these tips too. Sometimes I feel like I don't know how to practice by myself.
That's exactly why we're talking about this today. And I think our listeners will love this episode.
Yes, I think so too. Let's do it.
But first, a quick message for everyone listening.
Yes, we have a small favor to ask.
If you enjoy Daily English Flow, please like this video.
It really helps us grow.
And please subscribe so you don't miss new episodes every week.
Yes, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Your friend will thank you.
Maybe your friend is also looking for their keys right now and needs something to listen to.
Yes, exactly. Okay, now let's get into today's episode.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, so our first tip today is simple but very powerful. The tip is this: speak to yourself in English.
Speak to myself.
Yes, speak to yourself. When you are alone at home, try to think and talk in English.
I never thought about that.
Many people think speaking practice needs another person. But that's not true. You can practice speaking alone every day for free.
Okay, but what do I say?
Great question. You can describe what you are doing. For example, you are in the kitchen and you say, "I'm making breakfast." Or you are getting dressed and you say, "I'm wearing my blue shirt today."
Oh, I see. So I just talk about normal things.
Yes, exactly. Normal, everyday things. You can also talk about your plans for the day. For example, today I'm going to the supermarket and then I'm going to watch a movie.
Okay, let me try. Today I'm gonna go to work and then I'm gonna come home.
Good try, Luwis. Just a small correction. We say, "I'm going to work," not "I'm go to work."
Ah, right. I'm going to work.
Perfect. And "I'm coming home," not "I'm come home."
I'm coming home.
Yes, that's exactly right.
Okay, that feels better.
It does sound more natural. You're doing great.
Thank you, thank you.
So remember, you don't need a partner to speak English. Just open your mouth and talk about your day.
Even if nobody is listening.
Even if nobody is listening. Your English will improve because you are practicing.
I like that tip a lot.
Okay, before we move on, let's look at our first vocabulary word. Today's vocabulary word is routine. R-O-U-T-I-N-E. Routine.
Routine.
A routine is something you do regularly, every day or every week. It's a habit, a pattern of activities. For example, I have a morning routine. That means every morning I do the same things. I wake up, I drink coffee, I brush my teeth.
Oh, that's easy to understand.
Yes, it's a very useful word. Another example, my English routine is 30 minutes every morning. That means every morning I practice English for 30 minutes.
Okay, let me try. My routine is watch English videos at night.
Good, Luwis! Almost perfect. We say, my routine is watching English videos, not watch.
My routine is watching English videos at night.
Beautiful.
Watching, not watch.
Exactly right.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Okay, our second tip today is to use your phone to practice.
My phone?
Yes, your phone is a great English learning tool. You already have it in your hand all day.
That's true.
So one thing you can do is change your phone's language to English.
Oh, interesting.
When your phone is in English, you read English every day without thinking about it. You see words like settings, search, notifications, and battery.
Yes, but what if I don't understand something on my phone?
That's actually good. It means you found a new word to learn. You can look it up and remember it.
Oh, I like that idea.
Another great way to use your phone is to listen to English podcasts.
Like this one.
Exactly like this one. Podcasts are perfect because you can listen anytime. When you walk, when you cook, when you clean.
I try to listen to English podcasts when I cook dinner.
That's perfect. That's a great habit.
One thing that helps me is listening while I do something with my hands.
Oh, that's a really good point. When your hands are busy, your ears are free to listen.
Yes, exactly.
Now let's look at a useful phrase. The phrase is, I make it a habit to. This phrase means, I do this regularly, I do it on purpose.
Can you give an example?
Of course. I make it a habit to listen to English every morning. I make it a habit to read 5 new words before bed.
Okay, let me try. I make it a habit to listen to English podcast when I am cooking.
Excellent! That is a perfect sentence.
Really?
Really? You don't need a correction.
Wow, I'm getting better.
You are.
Maybe I should make it a habit to celebrate my good sentences.
Ha, yes, please do. Celebrating small wins is very important for learning.
Okay, I'll try.
Now let's look at our second vocabulary word. Today's vocabulary word is habit. H-A-B-I-T. Habit.
Habit.
A habit is something you do often, usually without thinking about it. It's an action that becomes automatic. For example, brushing your teeth in the morning is a habit. You don't think about it, you just do it.
Yes, and checking my phone is also a habit.
That's a very common habit. Here's another example. I have a good habit of writing new words in a notebook.
Oh, I should do that more.
It really helps. Okay, your turn. Can you make a sentence with the word habit?
Let me think. I have a bad habit of forget new vocabulary.
Good try. The small correction is, I have a bad habit of forgetting new vocabulary. We need -ing after of.
Of forgetting.
Yes, exactly.
I have a bad habit of forgetting new vocabulary.
Perfect sentence.
And it's true.
Well, listening to this podcast will help you fix that habit.
Yes, I hope so.
Okay, our third tip today is one of my favorites. It's called shadowing.
Shadowing? What does that mean?
Shadowing means you listen to someone speak English and you repeat immediately after them. Like a shadow, you follow them very closely.
Oh, I see. So I listen and then I copy the words?
Yes, exactly. You copy the words and also the sounds, the rhythm, the stress, the feeling.
I tried this before, but I found it difficult.
That's normal at the beginning. But if you practice every day, you will improve quickly.
How do I start?
It's simple. Choose something short, a podcast, a YouTube video, or even just one sentence. Listen to it first. Then listen again and repeat after each sentence
Should I repeat slowly or fast?
at your own speed. If something is too fast, pause the video and repeat. Then play it again.
That makes sense.
One thing that helps me is choosing material I really enjoy. If the topic is interesting, you practice more.
Yes, that's true. I try to shadow podcasts about things I like.
Exactly. What topics do you like?
I like sports and cooking.
Perfect. Find English podcasts or videos about sports and cooking. Then shadowing will feel fun, not like study.
You should try listening to something you love.
Yes, that is great advice. Okay, let's practice a phrase now. The phrase is, I try to. This is a very useful phrase. We use it when we talk about our habits or goals. I try to means I make an effort to do this.
Can you show me?
Of course. I try to practice English for 30 minutes every day. I try to speak English when I watch videos.
Okay, I'll try. I try to read one English article every morning.
That is a beautiful sentence. No correction needed.
Yes.
And it's a great habit, too.
Thank you. I started doing that last month.
See? You already have good English habits.
I didn't know that.
Many learners already do good things but don't notice.
That's encouraging.
Good. Because you really are improving. Okay, let's review what we learned today. We talked about 3 main tips for practicing English alone.
Yes, okay, let me try to remember. The first tip was speak to yourself in English.
Perfect.
We said you can talk about normal things, like what you are doing.
Exactly right.
The second tip was use your phone and listen to podcasts.
Yeah.
You can change your phone to English and also listen when you cook or walk.
That's right. And what was the phrase we learned for that?
I make it a habit too.
Wonderful.
And the third tip was shadowing. Listen and repeat.
You remembered everything perfectly.
I did! My habit of listening is working.
It is. And we also learned 2 vocabulary words today.
Routine, something you do every day, like a pattern.
Great.
And habit, something you do often without thinking.
Perfect. Luwis, you really did well today.
Thank you, Anna. I feel more confident about practicing alone now.
That is exactly what we wanted. The most important thing is this. Practice a little bit every day.
Yes, every day, even for 10 minutes.
10 minutes of real practice is better than 1 hour once a week.
I agree.
Consistency is the key.
Consistency. That's a good word.
It means doing something regularly, without stopping.
I like that word.
Okay, before we say goodbye, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
The question is, what is one thing you do to practice English alone? Write your answer in the comments in English.
It doesn't need to be perfect. Just one sentence is great,
We read every comment,
and we love reading them.
so please write something for us.
Even just, I listen to Daily English Flow every day is a perfect answer.
Ha, yes, we will love that answer.
But any answer is welcome.
And if this episode helped you today, please like the video.
It helps more people find our podcast.
Please subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
And share this with a friend who is also learning English.
One click from you can really help someone today.
Okay, Anna, that was a great episode.
I thought so too. Thank you so much for listening, everyone.
You are amazing for being here. Learning a new language is not easy.
But you are doing it every single day.
And that makes us really proud of you.
Keep practicing. Keep going.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Keep flowing with English.
See you next time.